Okay, I'm out of breath. So last year, when we put these trellises up, we used cat food bags, pet food bags, and we put mulch on top of them. We're using it as weed guard. But we have cat food bags. Why do we have cat food bags? Well, we have cats. And these cat food bags are made of a tarpaulin type material. Also very similar to what you might find with sandbags. We've done this before. We actually did this around the pecan trees that we planted as weed barrier. And the intention is we'll leave this down for the season, block out the weeds. The next year we'll pull this up when we till up the soil, etc., so forth. So we'll put this down and then we'll put some mulch on top of it, which we happen to transport over inside the cat food bags. Yay! As you can see, there are no weeds in the middle. And what we got is just dirt. As she pulls this next one up, nice, pretty dirt. Be a couple of varmints there, little critters. Something's trying to sprout, but it was going to get blocked out. And these things have not broken down. This is the same material as sandbags, so it's intended to be out and about for a while. And a lot of your pet food is, stored for quite a long time, and make some pretty compost. Oh, look, a scorpion! Where'd he go? Oh, he's under that leaf right there. There. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.